Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can log in or sign in into your Dazn account. So in order to do so, first thing you need to make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and also make sure that you've already installed the application on your device. If you haven't installed the application, then head over to your Play Store, type in Dazn on the search box, and then click on the install button. Since I've already installed the application, so all I need to do is open it up. Once you open up your Dazn application, this is how it's gonna look like. Now in case if you don't have an account, then you'll not be able to log in into your Dazn account. So in order to sign up, you can see there is a button which says sign up. Click on it, and after that you can sign up. And if you already have an account, then click on the option that is existing customer sign in, which is right at the bottom. In order to sign in into your account, they'll be asking you to enter in your email address and a password associated with your Dazn account. So type in the email address and a password. After you're done entering the information, click on start watching. If the provided information is correct, then you'll successfully logged into your account. And if you have provided invalid information, then it will ask you to recheck all of the information provided, or else you're unable to remember your login credential. Then what you can do is you can simply click on the link that is forgot password, and after that you can reset your following information. In this way you can log in or sign in into your Dazn account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.